My name is Maddie Mills. I live in the United States of America. I have a bachelor's degree in elementary education, and I have 3 years of teaching experience. I am also pursuing a master's in education counseling. Some things about me are, I love to read books. I also love to play video games. And most of all, I love to travel the world. Some things about my teaching style are, I love to be energetic, I love to have lots of fun, and I like to make sure we're learning a lot. I try to make sure to pronunciate very well when teaching. I hope to see you in my class soon.